Welcome to the channel, guys. So today's video is going to be covering the LUX digital programmable thermostat, and this is the Tx9600TS model. And I'm going to be going over the factory reset as well as the lockout screen, just in case you wanted no one to use the device and not be able to make adjustments on the device. I'll show you how to use the lockout screen. So let's get into the factory reset first. And to factory reset this device, let's turn this to the off position first, and then pop off the back cover. So now we're going to access these two buttons here. So one is a hardware reset and one's a software reset. So this is how you would reset the device. There's no entry through the main menu or anything on the screen or the front panel. It's all done right here. So depending on what you want to do, whether it's hardware or software, the software is going to remove your program schedules, filter information, things like that, filter values. That's what the software reset's going to do. The hardware reset is needed if you think the device is operating incorrectly or some kind of weird issue, but it will keep the software information. So that's going to be your program schedule, things like that, but you will lose your time when you hit on the hardware reset. You're going to have to reset that time and input it when it restarts up. But one good thing is that it does keep the program schedule and everything that you have programmed in there that might take you a while to figure out. So that's how you would do that. I'm going to hit a hardware reset and then show you what that looks like. As you can see, now it wants you to set the time. So we're going to do that in just 1 second. All right, let's set this back up. All right, so the time is simple. All you do is click on the time, set your time, okay, hit OK, and you're good to go. And that's all it takes to reset the device. All right, so moving along to the next thing we want to cover, and that's going to be the lockout screen. That's very simple. Just hit on, let's actually go into a heating or cooling mode. That's going to activate the lockout screen. And once you hit menu, let's go to hit scroll. And it says set keypad lock, and we're going to hit OK. So right here is important. Remember to write this down. We're going to set this code. I'm just going to leave it 000, the 4-digit code here, and hit next. Next, and it's going to cycle through here. So if you wanted to change these digits, you can do it now. But I'm going to keep on hitting next, and then I'm going to hit OK. So as you can see, it inputted a lock here on the screen. Now this is locked. We cannot make any adjustments to this at all. Okay, so what we're going to do is press on the lock button. It's going to ask to unlock keyboard. You're going to say OK. And you're going to enter in your digits, your unlock passcode or PIN code, and then hit OK. So since I got that correct, there's no more lock button here, or lock icon, I should say. So it's very important for you to set that and kind of write it down, and maybe write it down on the manual and hide that somewhere. But that's how you use the lock screen and how you set that up and how to unlock. That's going to be it for the video, guys. So please take a look at my other videos. I have, I'm covering other topics on this thermostat. I have manual override, the setup menu, and full programming. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.